Good afternoon, students. I am here. Square and square roots by using a shortcut method. I will explain to everything. Listen carefully, and you will find out how you can solve the questions related to square and square roots. Okay? Now we are going to start. We are taking any number, two-digit number, like 25. We are going to find out the square of 25. How you can find out? I will tell you. First digit is 5. What is the square of 5? That is 25. That means 25. Okay. This one is 2. 2. More than 1. That is 3. We should do the multiply with 2 and 3. We get a 6. We get a 6. That means this is the perfect square of 25. That is 6 to 5. Clear? Okay. We are taking another number, that is 35 and so on. Firstly, you will find out the square. This is method used only. The first digit is 5. This method used only in place of 1 is 5. That is, we are going to find out the 35 the whole square. 5 square is 25 and second one is 3. More than 1, 3 or 1, 4. 4 into 3, 12. That is the perfect square of 35. That means 35 square is equal to 1225 and this one is 25 square is equal to 625. I think you got it. How you will find out the square of two-digit number? That in place of 1 is 5 is and later. Then you can do it. Okay. Now we are going to another number to find out the square of any number. Maybe in place of 5, maybe not. First one is 32. We are going to find out the square of 32. 32 का whole square. What does it mean? Firstly, you will use what is the 2 square? That is 4. What is the 3 square? That is 9. You should do the multiply between these two numbers, 3 and 2. What is the value? 3 to the 6. 6 and again you should do the multiply with 2, 3 to the 6 or 6 to the 12. That is 12. In place of 1 is 4. In place of 1, 2. And this one is remain and you should be add in next term 9 plus 1 that is 10 and in 10 24 is the whole square of 32. Then you will get 32 whole square is equal to 1024. This is the square to find out of any two-digit number with using these methods. Okay? We are going to start a square root of any number. What is the simplest method to find out? What is the mean? This sign is represent a square root. That means, what is the meaning of square root? That means 2 to 5 the whole power 1 upon 2. Root sign is represent a power half. Clear? You have any doubt? Then you can ask me in a class. 2 to 5 the whole power is equal to 1 upon 2. That is root 2 to 5. Okay. Firstly, we find out the prime factorization method. Using the prime factorization method, 2 to 5, that is, you should be divided by the 5, but we get 5 4 is 20 and 5 5 is 25. That means again we should be divided by the 5, 5 is 5 9 45. That means it is divisible by 3, 3 is 9, and again 3 is 3. How? What we get? 5, 5, 3, 3. Okay? What does that mean? this is the pair of 5, this is the pair of 3. We should be take out the 1 in 5, and this one, 3. Answer is 50. Again, we are going to like this. This is the half. Both are equal, and we are doing a different types of method to find out the square root. This one is, what is the factor of this? 5 into 5, 3 into 3, whole power 1. That means 5 into 5, that is 5 to the power 2. 3 into 3, that is 3 to the power 2. The whole square 1 2. That is, power is same, but base is different. We should be take a common power. 5 into 3 की whole power 2 and whole power 1 upon 2 this one. That means 5 3 are 15 की whole power 2 की whole power 1 upon 2, and we should be do the multiply with power. Clear? Powers power. We should be the multiply. But we get 5 की whole power 2 into 1 upon 2. We should be do 2 is 2. What is the answer? 15 to the power 1, that means 50. Both are same in these two methods. These are the different which is not available in your book, but this is the available in your book. And find out and get out the how you can find the square root of anything. Clear? I have another method to find out the square root of any number. In a point, in a normal way, this one is also, and I will explain you how you can find out. Just wait. I am going to graph this one, and by using the division method to find out the square root. Okay, we are going to find out the square root of this using another method. In this method, we should be make a pair from last to 1. This one, pair is 25. This is remain. We should take only 2 and 1. If we are taking a 1 number, then we should be use also 1. If we are using a 2, then we should be use also a 2 in place of this. And 1 1. What is answer? 1. And we should to take a pair. You have to segregate. That is 25. Okay. Now here we should be add also. Same number. 1 on 1, 2. And shift this side. What we get? Again we should be take a number 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Same number. We should be take the same number. Okay, I am taking here 5, and this is also 5, and we should be multiplied with 25 with 5. If we are taking 5, then we should be do the multiply with 5. If we are taking a 6, then we should be multiply with 6 like this. Okay, so we should be multiply with 5. 5 has 25, carry 2. 5 is 10 or 2, 12. That is, now this is the finish, and we got our answer 15. That means 2 to 5 is equal to 15 is answer. These are the three methods to find out the square root. Not a single. In your book, this is provided. Maybe this is, but this is not available in your book. To guide the information, please find out. It is a very easy method to find out. This is a division method. This is the powers method. We are converting power and find out the square root of any number. And this one is the pairing. By using the pairing, we find out the square root. If this is the perfect square root, then you will find a perfect number. This is not, then we cannot. We can get an answer in a root also. Okay.